can do 360, just do this.
What's up guys, this is Suryakungfu and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to do a 360-degree kick. If done properly, this move can be learned under 10 minutes. Now before getting started, I want you guys to know that my channel serves martial art and fitness contents for free. So if you want to learn martial art or get your ass in shape, subscribe to me. Let's talk about this move a bit. Its Shaolin name is Suryakungfu and it's one of the most powerful, useful and popular kick in all over the world. Before getting into the move, I want to make some assumptions for you guys. If you guys can do 30 push-ups, 40 sit-ups and 50 squats, then you're good to go. The move is categorized into three parts. First, momentum. Second, takeoff. Third, kicking. And at last, I'll be showing you some variations of this kick. Now let's get into the move. So guys, we'll start our move with the standa position or the fight position. So first, we'll put our left leg in the front and right leg in the back. We'll step our right leg like this. Step our right leg, raise left leg, turn the body and tilt the upper body toward right side. Step, raise, turn and tilt the upper body toward right side, exactly shown in the video. Now we'll do it properly. Now step 2 is take off. We'll add step 1 and at last we'll add a pop jump and switch the leg. Again, step 1, pop jump and switch the leg. Now we'll do it properly. Now step 3, we'll include step 1, step 2 and at last we're gonna add round kick. Step 1 is momentum, step 2 is takeoff, step 3 is kicking. So we'll add momentum, we'll take off and we'll kick. Now guys, here's the thing, try to kick when you are in air. Don't kick when you already landed. It don't look so good. It will take some time, do some practice, but try to hit when you're in the air. It looked pretty great. Now for the beginners, for the intermediates and for the advanced, here is some variation. 540-degree kick, and its Chinese name is one leg Suryakungfu. Another Shaolin Suryakungfu. Now 360 thigh kick, we'll hit in the thigh, and at last long 360. So that's it for today guys. I hope you liked the video. Learn the move as soon as possible and let me know in the comment section below. Till the time, see you. Like, subscribe, comment, share, close the video.